India on Friday said it has formally flagged concerns with the United States over the cancellation and postponement of pre-scheduled H1B visa interviews, affecting a large number of Indian applicants. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Randeep Jaiswal said thousands of interviews scheduled from mid-December onwards in India were abruptly postponed by several months as part of enhanced scrutiny of applicants' social media activity and online profiles. Some applicants received emails from US immigration authorities informing them that their interviews had been rescheduled as late as May next year. Jaiswal said the Indian government has received multiple representations from affected nationals facing hardships due to the sudden rescheduling. Many applicants who had already traveled to India for visa appointments are now stranded as they do not hold valid H1B visas to return to the US for work. Visa-related issues fall under the sovereign domain of any country, Jaiswal said, adding that India has conveyed its concerns to the US government both in New Delhi and Washington, D.C. He noted that the prolonged delays have caused significant hardships for Indian professionals and their families. India, he said, remains actively engaged with the US to minimize disruptions to its nationals.
On H1B visas, yes, the Government of India has received several representations from Indian nationals who are facing delays or problems with their rescheduling of their visa appointments. While we do understand, as you also understand, that visa-related issues pertain to the sovereign domain of any country, we have flagged these issues and our concerns of our nationals to the US side, both here in New Delhi and in Washington, D.C. And we hope that these delays and these disruptions will be addressed. There are several people who have been they have been stranded for an extended period of time because of scheduling or rescheduling issues of consular appointments, and these have also caused a lot of hardships to their families, to the family life that they have, as also to the education of their children. As you would understand, and I think there was a communication from the US government also, that with effect from December 15th, they have expanded their review process or processes that they have, which covers specialty occupation temporary H1B visa applicants, and it also is applicable to the dependents who are covered under H4 category visa. This particular change that they have introduced is applicable globally to all countries. But on our side, the Government of India remains actively engaged with the US side to address and minimize the disruptions that have been caused to our nationals.